Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming device compatibility and carrier support. This matters because different carriers use different activation flows. Once done, back up your data and have account credentials and QR code or activation code ready. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and the old plan is active during transfer. Then open Settings and navigate to the cellular or mobile plans area. You're starting the import, not the carrier swap yet, so follow prompts to add a new Esim profile. Now you perform the central steps. Scan the carrier QR code or paste the activation code in Add Cellular Plan. If the carrier requires their app, open it and follow the guided transfer flow. You'll often grant permissions for cellular settings. Choose which Esim slot or label the new line so you can identify it later. Once the profile installs, the phone may request a restart. Allow it, keep internet active, and wait for carrier confirmation that the new Esim is provisioned. To finish, assign the new Esim as your default for voice or data if desired and test by making a call and loading web pages. This confirms provisioning. Only remove the old Esim after the new line reliably works. If something goes wrong, restart the device first, then rescan the QR or re-enter the code. Make sure no duplicate profiles exist. If problems persist, contact your carrier with error messages and EMA. They can re-provision or reset the Esim from their side.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.